Now to the other big story we're watching tonight. Proof of full COVID-19 vaccination to enter some businesses could soon be mandatory across the state. Talks in Sacramento continue on that proposed legislation. It would require customers and employees to prove that they're fully vaccinated against COVID before being allowed in places, including restaurants, bars, gyms, and hotels. The bill could be sent to the governor's desk within the next 3 weeks, and it is considered urgent, meaning it needs 2/3 approval from the legislature to take effect.
And legal challenges are expected to the legislation if it does pass. Some people are questioning, for example, whether it would stand up in court.
KRON 4's Terisa Estacio talked to legal experts about what could happen.
A few months ago, being fully vaccinated was rare, and getting a shot required patience and persistence. But now having a shot is more commonplace, and if a bill passes, could become a statewide requirement to keep your job, attend a concert, or access any public event. Is that legal? We turn to two law professors to get their legal opinions for you.
Yes. So generally speaking, under our existing jurisprudence, the state has a right to pass reasonable regulations of public health, even if it interferes with individual rights.
Dorit Rice is a professor of law at UC Hastings. She explains a state law on vaccine mandates is on solid legal footing based on a Supreme Court case. She adds, ethically, with cases on the rise, one could also argue a mandate is critical.
Vaccine mandate can reduce transmission, and therefore it's ethical to impose them to prevent deaths and harms. In fact, you may argue that there's an ethical duty on the governor to do what he can to stop the pandemic and prevent deaths and harms.
I think one of the things that's interesting about this legislation, at least as from what I've seen, is that it isn't as broad as even what we saw in that 1905 case. It isn't everybody. It does seem to be those who are employed in these public places and then those who want to attend public places. So there's even a little bit more choice, in a sense, wrapped up here.
Alix Rogers is a professor at UC Davis School of Law and adds, although a statewide vaccine mandate has solid legal standing, no doubt it would be contested quickly.
I'm sure there's some anti-vax groups that are already, ready to respond in that. And, there are I understand and sympathize with some of those sort of liberty type concerns.
Rogers also adds, if passed, like it or not, California could once again be making history.
I think, California has been a front runner throughout COVID. Certainly if this was passed, we would be, it would be one of the strictest statewide requirements.
Terisa Estacio, KRON 4 News.